coming up with our GDP at that time was $1.87 trillion. As of now, it is $3.75 trillion. It is almost touching $4 trillion. Okay. So this is important. So based on these figures, you got to be talking about, we will talk about our per capita GDP is 86,000 rupees. That time was 86,000 in 14 and presently it is 1,72,000. What is that? Gross domestic product. GDP is exactly what you said is, it is the production of a particular country within the limits of our own boundaries. Whatever we produce, whether it is services or manufacture, that is total GDP, correct? Including everything. But per capita income based on your GDP is your total GDP divided by the population. Now position that time was 10th, today it is at 5th position. And we are, as it is, apne upar kaun hai? Who is on top of us? 4th position pe. Japan, we are going very close to it because of, we will see about our, when we talk in terms of growth rate. What is our growth rate as of today? Firstly, you got to say that India's youth population that we have got, we have got a youth of between the age of 20 to 45. Kitna hai uska percentage? Almost 60 to 65%. Correct? So if we have that youth manpower, that is why China is afraid of India. Then power in villages. Now you understand what is the meaning of power in villages? We had earlier villages, only 40% of the villages were electrified. Today you got more than 90% villages are electrified. AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, So they are, हमारे पास पहले कितने थे? 7, अभी कितने हो गए? 25. Even in J&K we have got AIIMS. Yeah. So that is the importance of having medical facilities being taken all over India. That is the specialized treatment. Wherever needed, you got AIIMS. Okay. Then E-way length. What is E-way length? Express highways. Yeah. पहले कितना था? 1004 kilometers. अभी कितना है? 5,930 kilometers. Now then national highways. Earlier we had 91,287 kilometers of national highways. Today we have got 1,46,145 kilometers. This is a result of what? We have been making roads right from the beginning, but prior to 2014, the country was only able to make 8 to 10 kilometers of roads per day. Today we have got a figure which is more than 30 kilometers of roads per day are being added to the length of the highway. Uske baad the road quality has increased. Quality of the roads, quality of the roads meaning the quality of the roads in terms of smoothness and its capacity to handle the weight capacity of the roads. It is improved from 88th position to we have now ranked almost 48th in the entire world. Renewable energy, we have gone up from 25.7 gigawatts to 95.7 gigawatts. Cost of 1 GB data earlier was 200 rupees for 1 GB because affordability, how it has improved from 2014 to now. From 58.9 million people to 800 million people are using this. Yeah. Internet spread 25%. It has now spread to almost 93%.